Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how to remove the spark plug from nissan Tiida. It's 2005. Firstly, you will take this housing off. That's there. You loosen this clamp 10mm, and there's another clamp on this side. Take it off, and the next thing you would need to do is just these long so you will take one here, one here, one there, and one there. There's 4 of these. You lose them off, take it off, and this will come off, and then you can take this hose off. Will easily come off. And then this connector here, you'll take this connector off, and the next thing you would do probably is these nuts will come off from. Normally there's another plate at the back. You remove one there, come off. The next would be another 10mm here. And you remove this 10mm here. From there you would need to remove this hose at the back, this one here. Yeah, you can take the clamp off first and remove the hose, and then you come down here. There will be another 8mm just right there. You can remove from this bracket, and then come down this way. You would take this piece off, and then there's 5 bolts there. 1 bolt there, 1 there, and then 1 just there, and sorry, another one right there, and then 5th one would be right behind this wire here. So these are 10mm bolts. Once that comes off, it will easily come off straight. Can probably show you. So I'll remove this first. Save my bucket. Okay, with that, and it should come right off. Okay, you can see there's another connector at the back. You can take it off. Okay. Then you can just wiggle it out and try to gently